Hi everyone, and welcome to my new video. I know it's been a while, some personal shit been going on, but I'm back. So, um, today's wig is a wig that I got from my local beauty supply. I just needed a wig in a hurry, and this is what I got. So let's go. Um, it says Sephia. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like, fuck it. Okay, Sephia. Lace front width, heat friendly, 4x4 lace base. It says it's heat friendly up to 340 degrees. Hand tied lace patch, natural hair part. It's available in a lot of colors, but I, of course, because you guys already know I hate color. Well, I don't hate color, I just shy away from it. I have it in the 1B. So let's go into the let's do pros first. It's a cute wig, you can wear it different ways, but you see this little piece that keeps coming up right there? Wait, that's a con. That's not a pro. Let me go back. So it's a cute wig, right? You can wear it to the side. It does have, a lot of lace. That is a pro. The curls, I feel they could have did better because it wasn't really as how it should be. I don't know if you could tell, like this part's a little bit higher than this part, so it's a lot kind of going on. But all in all, I like the texture of it. It's really cute, I may have to take the flat iron and go over it like this a little bit, kind of bump it a little bit, curl it a little bit, but I mean, all in all, I think I paid $40 for it. To me, it's overpriced because I could have got it on Sam's Beauty or something for like maybe cheaper than that. And again, here's my con. So see this little piece right here, it keeps coming up, and I know I could use glue or something like that, free spray or something like that, but let's be honest here. A lot of my wigs, I don't do any of that, and they stay down. Also, the other thing was the cap was really huge. I had to tie it 4 or 5 times just to have it stick to my head. You can see I'm constantly adjusting it like this and stuff like that, but it's a cute wig. Like I said, oh, the name of her is Cameron. In case I didn't let you guys know, it's LF Cameron, color 1B. But like I said, it's a cute wig, but for me, I just feel like it's not as snug as it needs to be. But you guys want me to turn around? I mean, it's pretty long in the back. It's cute, I guess. What y'all think? I mean, and it's tangles. So I haven't even had it on for that long, and it's already tangling. So that's my other thing, is I wouldn't really wear it like that, because if it's already showing signs of tangling and stuff like that, that already is a sign. It's maybe just a work wig for me, but like I said, it's a cute wig. It's made by Sephia, lace front wig. I got it from my local beauty supplies. If I see a beauty supply online store that has it, I will put the link below. Again, thank you guys for watching my videos and sticking through, even though I don't post content as I should, but I'm hoping to get back to posting that. My daughter has that nephrotic syndrome, and I'm posting more of those videos. And thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, because everyone needs subscribers. And don't forget to like the video if you really like it. And thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.